Yeah.
Is someone for? Okay, cool.
Coolness. So we are at this thing, and we're gonna go fast. Oh shit! Oh god, I'm already like. Mind you, we just ate funnel cake.
Ready? Ready?
Are we ready?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh god! Oh god! Ah! Oh god!
Too fast.
Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! It's not that I'm scared. I'm just scared that it's gonna get detached.
Oh, detached. Hopefully.
No! Yeah. Oh god. Yeah. Like I don't feel sick. I just feel like I'm gonna fall over. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. Plus I'm on the edge, and I feel like I'm gonna still overshit. Oh shit. Okay.
You good?
Yeah. Okay, there you go. Okay. I'm still like holding on to it. Oh, no wonder. We're like moving at that thing. Okay.
Ready?
Oh my gosh. Shit. Shit. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Okay, stop. I stopped that. Shit. Oh god. Hey. Oh my gosh.
Looking at my jaw.
Oh god. Oh, hey. Oh god. Okay. No! Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm gonna get choked. Hold on. Fuck. My necklace, I don't want to get choked. It's oh god! I felt that one.
I think they're stopping. Are they stopping? I can't tell.
We're still moving. We're slowing down. We are slowing down.
Speed up, son.
Shit. Okay, he's gonna toss me off this ride. Ah, no!
I think we stopped.
Oh, God. Okay. Okay, I'm good. So this is our ride.
Yay!
Yeah! Oh. And we survived, no vomiting.